Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox and test a USB condenser microphone that I bought online. This microphone is supposed to be great for blogging, podcasting, gaming, and other audio recording purposes. I'm very excited to try it out and see how it sounds. So let's get started. Here is the package that I received from the seller. It looks well packed and secure. Let's open it and see what's inside. As you can see, we have user manual, free earphone, Type-C cable, USB cable, sponge cover, shock mount, microphone unit, and a tripod stand. Let me assemble it. The microphone has a metal body and a cardioid polar pattern. It has a volume knob, a 3.5mm headphone jack interface, a light indicator, and a USB port on the bottom. For the volume knob, it has 3 functions in one button. Microphone volume adjustment to turn on or off noise reduction and ear monitoring. The light indicator has 3 colors: white light for normal work, green light to turn on noise reduction, and blue light for ear monitoring. Just click the volume knob to change the mode. Now let's set up the microphone and test it out. The installation is very easy as it's plug and play. You don't need any drivers or software to use it. Just plug the USB cable into your device and select the microphone as your input source. You can also plug your headphones into the microphone and monitor your sound in real time. For the sound quality, I am using it now for the voiceover. And I could say it's good enough for its price range, especially if you're just starting your blogging, streaming, or podcasting journey. I highly recommend it. You can check the video description for the shop link. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comment what you think of the microphone and if you have any questions or suggestions for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.